Alrighty guys, I wonder where we are here. Let me turn my light on. That's right. We're back again here. You're back at the crossing here, and I wonder what that is over there. That's right. It's a train over there. But not just a train, but a CSX train. I wonder exactly where we are here. That's right. We're back again here at the North 23rd Street crossing here. See, yep, there's our board right there. As you can see, that crossing already down there got activated. See, yep, there he is. So now, we're going to go ahead and watch this crossing get activated here. See, yep. See, there he is right there. Here, once he gets a little close, we'll step back, because I want to make sure so we can watch him. See, it looks like he stopped flashing his lights, you can see here. Once he gets close to the crossing, once the crossing gets activated, he will flash his lights. So there he is. Alright, looks like he's getting close now, so let's go ahead and watch this crossing activate now. See, up here we are at the North 23rd Street crossing here, waiting on the famous crossing once again. Here at the South 3rd Street crossing that we just caught earlier, the famous crossing. Sitting underneath the street light right here, as you can see. Oh, it's starting to rain here. Hopefully it doesn't. I hope it doesn't start raining here when this train passes here. I hope. It's a little bit rainy here. It's going to be starting to get a little bit rainy here. Focus, camera. Focus. Come on. There we go. Oh God. Okay. You know what? Here, let me grab my rain jacket real quick. I'll be right back. I'm gonna cut the camera off. All right, guys. Sorry, guys. I had to grab my rain jacket because there was a tree that just hit my hoodie. All right. He should be getting close now. Let me get over here, back over here. Yeah, it's starting to rain here, so I have to get my rain jacket so I don't get soaked. Here we are back now. Focus, camera. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, camera. There we go. I'll go ahead and maybe turn my light on so we can see this crossing. So you guys can see this crossing activating. I got some lightning there. All right. Here he comes. Staying right over here. Towards the sidewalk right here. There goes lightning right there. I hope I caught that on camera. I'm glad I got my rain jacket on before it starts raining, because otherwise I don't want to get my camera soaked. This train's only carrying just cars, you can see here. No tankers or double stacker remotals here. There's the last car right there, as you can see. Alright, so now let's watch the crossing gates go up now. I'm going to shut my light off so that way this driver right here does not question me what I'm doing. Like cross that guy right there across. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed roll crossing action 47 and 46, or 40 am, I meant to say, sorry, of a CSX train heading back from Port of Wilmington all the way now down, all the way to, he's currently going to bypass Leland now, he's continuing to Charlotte. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, thank you guys so much for watching, and that's going to be it.